Welcome to the video. This is F-Boy Productions.
Natural Ice, please sponsor us.
Subscribe.
Welcome to Grease Monkey Garage.
Oh, fuck. It almost came out. It almost fucking broke my shoulder. Put your glasses on. Dude. And rotated it down.
Hey, bud.
like trying to take it off of a vehicle or something.
I was trying to adjust your steering and it was like this.
Oh my god. It's stuck
Maybe
on
we
there.
should rethink our ordering.
Yeah, this is pretty bad.
Did we get it?
Not throwing shade or anything, but these are definitely rough step joints. We should try it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
She's spinning. She was
It's definitely
spinning.
a face.
You think you're bending the entire joint?
Like the you see like the
Alright, we'll deck it.
yeah. We're gonna run it.
Make sure you deck your joints.
This is what happens when you don't run anti-seize.
Yeah, always run anti-seize, especially when they're out of the box. Oh! Oh, I thought I caught you in the fucking cheekbone. In the kisser. Oh my god, I'm gonna redo it.
Oh yeah.
So only 2 3/8.
Yeah, big guy.
We gotta get ready to do some real work.
Oh, thank you. The higher clip. Look how big this is.
We want a demonstration here.
Now we're ready.
Oh, either way, but
The natural ice is still in the freezer.
that's alright.
It's okay, we got time.
It's gonna explode, isn't it?
No,
No,
we're
we're
good.
good.
Oh, okay. No, never mind. Oh, fuck! Ow! Damn it.
Fuck, we gotta
I gotta redo it again. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, yeah. Lefty. Do give yourself adequate time to set up rough step joints. This is how long it usually takes. So, nothing out of the ordinary.
Oh!
Hey, you need the table guy.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we're on the list.
Someone get the welder.
Okay, just a second.
Oh,
Alright, let me get the fucking...
Where's our counterweight?
yeah, put the Dana 80 on the other
Someone
side.
called Ness Campbell.
Should put the bigger table.
Alright, I'm just gonna make sure.
We fabbed this table just for rough stuff joints. It's gonna slip. It's gonna slip. I feel it.
This way?
Yeah. It was gonna go towards you. There we go. What is not? Well, something is moving and it's not. It's not
It was
thread.
like torquing. At least the
That
joints
felt
are
more
strong.
spongy than usual.
Can you go this way?
It's yeah.
It's progressively gotten tougher.
I'm getting some goggles.
I don't know what these will do against a
fucking bar
a
flying in the air.
full-size Heim joint or a fucking 2 3/8.
Well, it's getting harder. That was the hardest one yet.
Something's deflecting here.
Holy. Stay tuned. Holy shit. That is fucking scary. Logan, I would not. Well, you have to stand there. I don't know.
Should I just like get under the fucking...
Don't smile. This is fucking insane.
I got nervous.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, fuck.
Wow. Dude, it's like,
Horseshoe up.
yeah.
This is coming off though.
I hope so.
Alright, where is the fucking...
We are officially a single thread out after all that work. I marked that. Oh, look. Wait. We're almost a full turn. Good idea.
Yeah, burn off.
That might be it.
residual grease.
Might be our. Let's get her going.
You gotta hear this, bud.
Can I do it in the bung?
Yeah.
PE blaster, watch out.
Backslash.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Let's just do this. The vice is gonna be hot.
Probably readjust it first.
Before it gets 1,000 degrees.
Double it up.
Alright, look, ready?
Loud enough. Oh yeah, no, I'll go underneath.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
I hope you're seeing this. This is some tomfuckery.
Alright, here, let me get it. I gotta assist you. Yeah.
Right?
Yep. God, that was easy.
Oh, there we go.
I think it's gotta be cranked on there. There's no way it's not. Oh, that's not.
I'm gonna start the heating process.
No. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. Oh fuck, Caleb.
Good thing we're sponsored by these guys, right? Yep.
The joints will not back out on me.
How to perform U-joint. How to perform hand joint extraction.
Where's the blaster, Logan?
The blaster? Oh.
You got the. Where's the renob?
Oh shit, man.
Got the fume juice? Yeah.
Woo! Oh, hey!
We're breathing fire, buddy.
That's jet fuel. Hold on, it's on. It's about to take off.
That's more. This is the proper way
Here, a little more, Caleb.
To fix your hand joints.
Oh! Here we go. This is the best way to get a heat treatment on your hind joints. Oh, little peanut butter blaster.
And this is a full step-by-step tutorial.
Yeah.
This is a Chris Fixer video.
Oh, fuck.
Do that.
As you can see,
Oh,
the steel
it's-
is glowing.
It looks very nice.
How to mimic titanium.
Blue means Liz. Let's get going. Let's keep it on fire. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's get this going.
Wrong one. Hit the big one.
That's a big one. Wait, you have to do it while it's on fire or it won't work.
Make sure to hit
Here we
yourself
go.
in the head.
Oh.
Fucking biceps by ripping out.
All right.
How are we looking, fellas?
My action fall off.
3, 2, 1.
It is twisting. We just
Who's calling?
What was that?
Grandma.
We're
Is she
busy.
here?
Hello? Sort of.
Yeah.
We're in the shop. Caleb's helping Kyle with something real quick. So.
We're making progress. All right, Caleb's going to get his framing hammer. We're going to get this joint off. In the meantime,
How well does this key fit in here?
yep.
Quite well.
Alright, Phil's here.
Look at how smooth the joint is.
All right, there's
Oh, no, she's at
Caleb with his carpentry hammer.
I gotta get a good stamp.
All right, I'm gonna.
It's actually a 14 ounce.
Watch your fingers.
Benny, watch out, buddy. Oh, watch out, Benny.
Just,
Are you going sideways with this?
Where's the driveway? That is brand new.
Are you going down or sideways?
I saw I go that way.
All right, well,
Yeah, you stay over there. Yeah, right there.
all right. We're gonna get.
Go.
We're gonna.
The whole table's gonna move though.
Oh, well.
Working?
I don't know. Oh, well,
Grandma's here.
I'm monster. Oh, hold on, Grandma's here.
Short
We'll be right back.
You know where the jars are?
Yeah.
You
Right
run the
back.
jars. Alright.
Yeah, use
Yeah,
the
we
brass.
got it.
Use the brass hammer so we don't damage the joint.
Exactly.
Okay, we're back. Grandma got her jars. Before we get back to the action, if you wrap your cans in a wet paper towel and put them in the freezer, they do get colder. How much faster? What's the percentage?
16.7% faster.
Yep. You also have a nice crunch sound. Ooh. Okay, well, maybe not. Another monster loaded up. All right.
Watch your shit. I'm gonna hit the
Here is the
Benny,
one.
Go.
This is the one and done featuring Wreck-It Ralph.
Hang on.
We got a dog in the way.
Hey, go that way, buddy.
Benny, move.
Go.
Benny.
That's why my hands are gonna be under the table.
Benny, put your glasses on.
Go ahead.
There we go. All right.
Lay down. Good boy.
Here she comes. Oh!
Oh no.
It didn't come off.
Look at the two-tone on the fucking joint. Look at the color.
What a disgrace.
So we're about 25 minutes into this project, and we've made significant headway.
We're just too weak to get a joint out of a bong, I guess.
Give me hot.
No, it's fine.
Moderately warm. Okay, I like it. Actually, kind of hot. Squeeze. Oh! Damn it. Dude. The threads are actually pretty freaking warm, dude.
Oh yeah, it's definitely warm.
How smooth is that, Natty Ice?
It's pretty good.
Because it's brewed, ice brewed for a smooth taste.
What about that?
It's definitely an acquired taste. If you like cheap malt liquor and high percentage beers, then it's definitely.
For you.
This could be a good one.
Ooh, here we go.
We're just durability testing them.
Yep.
Get that down.
There we go. Oh, there we go. Hit it again. Partner, hit!
Oh, it's coming.
Dude, Kyle, we almost smashed my fucking finger.
Look at the fucking
Hold
threads.
on. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Hey, she's still holding.
Wow. They are actually
Eliminated.
ripping.
We are going to shear off a 3/4 inch.
Yeah, when you hit that, I had my hand right
This
here.
is a 7/8 time.
Into the thing and I
Given
fucking knuckled myself.
it is only about 3 threads deep into that that bung, so I mean we're hitting it with some force here, so keep that in mind.
One more slugger.
One more. This one's for the Christmas tree.
Benny. Watch out, buddy.
Oh!
I can go.
Oh! Let's go. It actually came all the way out. Look.
Oh, jeez.
It's all right. Sorry, Jake, about your chair.
Look at the carnage.
Let's get a
I
close
think we actually welded the threads or something here, bud.
up. Wow.
A
Pretty amazing.
slight bit of carnage.
Yep.
Done with a pipe wrench.
There we go. And that there you have it.
So we'll get back to the
Here's
regular
a 7/8 time.
program.
Please use what's that stuff called? We don't ever use it. but-
Assembly lube.
Assembly lube on your Heim joints.
Thanks for our stuff for sponsoring this build, this video.
There. Can I make a disclaimer?
Alright, so if you guys wanted to
Pan out
see
from there.
inside the bong here.
The bung.
The bong.
Here, take a look at the Heim joint. I don't know who actually makes these, but Rough Stuff does sell them. So I guess before you weld in your bung, make sure that your bung threads all the way onto your joint. This was only 5 threads in. I can't imagine if you didn't test it all the way and then you ended up wanting to use those threads and it getting stuck, how upsetting that would be. The blame's on nobody. Just be proactive with your bung research.
Grumpy, like Grumpy's telling.
Oh my god. Alright, if you like what you saw in the video, make sure you subscribe and watch more videos so we can get monetized. We're less than 500 subscribers away from making money off of you guys, which is good for me. I owe an absorbent amount of money in back taxes as of a month ago.
Grandma saved me off the tit, so I'm
Yeah.
getting no more
And
allowance.
grandma's taking them off the tit, so
Struggle.
we're gonna need money. Logan has back child support that he's got to pay. He put a lien on his truck recently, so times are tough here in Clinton County. Please like the video, and what's the next video we're gonna do? We don't know. You're gonna see it on our Instagram before we upload it. Also,
Follow us.
follow
On
us
Instagram.
On Instagram, almost 600 followers.
What is
Let's
it?
go.
F Boys
F.
underscore boys underscore.
We'll link it. We'll link it below. Just
It is
scroll
in
down
the
once,
channel.
you click it, and you'll follow. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Fuck off.